Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, February 27, 2023. It's 12 p.m. and I did only one trade. And I'm profitable for the day. Mondays are particularly slow for me. And I don't see the market is moving that much. I wanted to share with you a trade I made in gold, and let you know why I took it. And that was the only one that I took today. I do have multiple accounts, so my profit is actually around $1,000, a little bit over $1,000. So 120 on this one, on this account here. So. Let me tell you why I took it, and the one that I missed. I should have also point out that trade also. Um, so before I do that, let me remind you to go to the description of this channel. There is a 80% discount or 50% discount, I believe, on resets today. Yeah, it's 50% discount on resets for Epic's account. So you can do that if you failed one of your accounts, and that is valid until tomorrow. So basically, what I did see here was a week out of the moving average. In this case, the moving average is the 18 EMA. So market, this one is the one that I missed. There was right at the open. That one was actually a good entry right there. You do have momentum resetting over there, so you have a zero touch line that you do have only two two bars in the histogram that are below zero, but then you have a bounce in the moving average there. So that was actually a very nice entry. It is actually inside the box, and that's why I hesitated to take it. I'm trying to post or put trades that are kind of with more probability. So when you see here, it was moving here in this direction. It was tempting to go and move up. I did not take this entry here because it was below these highs. Now it went up, left the box, and then came back down, and this is where I took the trade. Now it was very small because the market was moving very slow, and so I took only $120 right there for one contract. so that's the reason why I took. And the other one was you see this tops right here. Oh, right there, right there, right there. This one was a powerful resistance, right? So this one is a resistance there. And basically what I did was to calculate the entry just below that resistance there with the risk of coming back down and bounce back down from this previous resistance here. So yeah, that's why I took this $120 trade. With all the accounts, it's around $1,000 only. But that's okay. So I'm gonna leave it there. There are some markets. Let me review. We still have some time. So ES is below 4,000, which is, for me, this one is bearish. It could go down, but it broke just after 11, and that one was a little bit too late for me. And I was not, betting that it was going to go to higher highs. So, and the reason is that my analysis over the weekend was telling me that this instrument was bearish in the daily. So it was a counter trend. Now you see that it's moving down. We'll see if this one is going to to keep moving down. Crude horizontal. You see that there was some still with this cough. I'm sorry. So still with that. So moving down off of the opening range, and then I think that this one, it's not showing signs of recovery yet, but it may be moving up. There was a news flash that I received today in the morning where it says that the highs for the price expected for the end of this year was going to be around $100. So we'll see. We are at 75, 78, $76. And we'll see if it starts showing signs of higher highs and higher lows. At this point, I don't have that. Okay, so that is my trade for today. For Monday, I'm going to leave it like that. Just 6 minutes of this video. Hope you like it, and let me know if you do have any questions. Let me see here. Yeah, so from here to there, $120. One thing that I wanted to to tell you guys is about your risk. It's not just because the Apex offers a 50% discount or 80% discount in accounts that you have to increment your risk. Your risk needs to be limited, right? Don't risk if your threshold is let's say $3,000 or $5,000. Don't lose, $1,200, $20 or $1,200, $1,500 in one trade. Just do it. I mean, you have to be consistent. And one of the tips that I would like to tell you or to give you is, keep your losses tight and let the runners run. When let the runners run when the market conditions are showing the trend, right? If not, then you keep the stops tight, but also you keep the targets tight as well, like I did in this case, right? Yes, I could have gone all the way up here, but you don't know, you never know if this area here or this resistance here is going to hold. So probably it could have gone down there and then probably give me a break even. But so that's why I sold it there at a small target. But also I kept a very, very tight trailing stop moving towards that objective, right? You see that now it's trying to move up, but then it's coming back down. It's and at 12, at lunchtime is tough to trade. So let's see what it does in the afternoon after 1:30, 2 p.m. and see if there is more movement in the market. Right now, I don't see that much action. All right, now I'm gonna leave it there. So thank you so much for watching, and wish you the best on your trading today. Thank you so much.